Hello. Welcome to our English podcast. Today we learn bathroom words. This is important. Everyone needs the bathroom. We must learn these words. Do not feel shy about this. We will learn polite ways to ask. These words help you every day. Are you ready? Good. Let us start now. These words are very useful. Say, where is the bathroom? This is polite. People will help you find it. You can ask, may I use the restroom? This sounds very nice and polite. Excuse me, where is the toilet? This is also good. People understand this question.
I need the facilities sounds fancy.
Use this in nice places like hotels. Go number 1 means pee. This is a nice way to say it. Go number 2 means poop. Parents teach kids this way. It sounds polite. You can say, I need to go number 1. Everyone will understand you. These words are not rude. They are polite ways to talk about bathroom needs. Bathroom is common at home. Americans say this word most of the time. Restroom is used in stores. You see this word on signs in public. Toilet means the white thing you sit on. Some people call the room this. Washroom is used in Canada. Americans know this word but do not say it. I need to pee is casual. Say this to close friends only, not strangers. I need to poop is also casual. Kids say this. Friends say this too. I have to go is very common. Everyone knows you mean the bathroom. Nature calls is funny. It means you need the bathroom. People will smile. Where is the nearest bathroom? Ask this when you really need to go fast. I really have to go. This shows you cannot wait long. People will help. Is there a bathroom here? Ask this in stores. Workers will show you. This is urgent. Say this when you cannot wait. People understand this means hurry. May I be excused? Ask your teacher or boss this. It is very polite. I will be right back tells people you are leaving. You will return soon. Excuse me for a moment is nice at work. Use this in meetings. I need a quick break works at work too. Your boss will understand this. Do you need to go potty? Ask kids this. Potty is a cute word. Let us go potty is what moms say. They take kids to the bathroom. Big boy potty means the real toilet, not diapers. Kids feel proud about this. Potty time makes it fun for kids. They get excited about using the bathroom. Americans are private about bathrooms. Do not talk about it too much with people. Always knock on doors first. Privacy is very important. People get angry if you forget. Wash your hands after. This is expected. Everyone must do this in public places. Be quick in public bathrooms. Other people are waiting. Do not take too long. I have stomach problems explains why you need the bathroom often when sick. I have diarrhea is the medical word. Tell doctors this when you are sick. I am constipated means you cannot poop. Doctors need to know this sometimes. I need stomach medicine. Helps at the pharmacy. They will give you the right thing. These bathroom words help you every day. Everyone needs to know these important words. Practice asking for bathrooms nicely. This makes you feel confident when you need help. Remember to be polite about bathroom topics. Americans like indirect words better than direct. Thank you for listening today. Use these words when you need them. Good luck speaking!